Alright, so good morning, everyone. I'll be quite honest. I'm not sure who needs this message. I'm not sure who I'm speaking to when I do this or when I say this. But I just want to tell you something, man. Something that I watched happen earlier last week. And I want to speak to somebody about something, man, because it bothered me, and it still bothers me right now. It really did bother me. And I want to tell you, regardless of your circumstance, right? If you can look up, then you can get up. I'll say it again. If you can look up, then you can get up. And so, last week, I was in Fayetteville. I was leaving the mall. I was getting something from the mall. And I was in traffic. And there was this lady on the side of this little intersection. And I saw she had a sign that said homeless, lost it all, anything will help, right? She had a sign that said homeless, lost it all, anything will help. And all I had was $1 in my car, I believe. All my money's on my card. So I jumped out the car, I put my car in park, jumped in the car, ran over to her. I'm still in uniform. And I gave her this $1. And this lady, right, she was holding that sign, her head was down. She was holding that sign and her head was down as if she was embarrassed to be doing the thing that she's doing. And I ran over to her. I gave her that $1. And she barely looked up at me. And she mumbled, "Thank you." Right? And I said, "You're welcome, and have a blessed day." And normally I don't talk about this stuff. Normally you never know what I'm doing unless I tell you about it. And she mumbled, "Thank you." And I ran back to my car and got in there and kind of dropped my head a little bit because I felt so bad. It hit me to the core that this lady was embarrassed to be doing what she's doing like life doesn't happen to people, right? She was embarrassed to be doing what she was doing like life does not happen to people. And I felt that to my core. I felt it in my heart. And I'm like, this lady was embarrassed to be doing the things necessary for her to survive. And I just want to tell somebody, right? If you can look up, then you can get up. And one thing I'm tired of watching people be ashamed and be embarrassed of where they are right now. Right? Some of you won't move because of your circumstances when the circumstances the reason you should be moving. And this lady was so embarrassed to be out there making money the way she knew how, the way she could be making money. So I want to tell you something. Pick your head up. I'm tired of seeing so many people on my news feed. I'm tired of seeing so many people in life with your head down. What are your head down for? If you can breathe, if you can look up, then you can get up. You letting your circumstance beat you when you should be beating your circumstances. I'm telling you something, you are so much bigger, you're so much stronger, you're so much better than what you're going through right now. Do not be embarrassed, man. Don't be embarrassed by a circumstance right now. That isn't your life. That down moment, that isn't your life, man. That's a part of what you're going through right now. And like I always say, your best is yet to come. I'm not saying that to simply say that. I'm telling you that because regardless of where you are right now, you haven't even tapped into who you were destined to be. And I say this all the time. And that hit me to the core because this lady was so embarrassed to be out there trying to make money so that she can get herself in a better situation. I wanted so bad to tell this lady, pick your head up, pick your head up, pick your head up. And when you start looking up, then you can see where you need to go. But if your head is always down, listen, I'm talking to someone right now. If your head is always down, and if you're always beating yourself down, you're always being hard on yourself, you're always telling yourself, I can't because of my circumstances, well, I'm here to tell you that you won't because of your circumstances. Right? I'm telling you this for a reason. This lady was so embarrassed to even say, thank you. She was so embarrassed to even look at me and say this. So she had to keep her head down and tell me that. She had to mumble that. And I'm tired of watching some of you, man. I'm tired of watching some of you settle for mediocre because you are so afraid to look up. I don't care where you are right now. I don't care if you lost a house. I don't care if you lost a job. I don't care what you lost. Listen, I'm telling you, if you can look up, then you can get up. And some of you think just because you're in a bad circumstances right now, you won't tap into the greatest person you were supposed to be. Let me tell you, some of the underdogs have the most beautiful success stories. Some of the people who came from nothing, some of the people who went through the most stuff, grew and they blossomed and they became successful, man. Let me tell you something. You were destined for greatness. I'm not telling you this just to be telling you this. I'm telling you, if you can look up, you can get up. Stand up, people. Stand up. Look in that mirror and say, hey, my circumstances don't define me. I define my circumstances. If I change my mindset, if I change my approach, if I change my environment, I can change myself. And I'm here to tell you today, if you all think I'm positive all the time, you are wrong. You know what separates me? I look up. I look up. Yes. Do I get down? Yes. Do I get upset? Yes. Do I get pissed off? Yes. But I do not stay in that moment of pistosity. I do not stay in that moment of being angry. I do not stay where I currently am. I don't stay there. Do I fall down? Absolutely. Do I get up? Absolutely. Because I know if I look up, I can get up. But if I continue to look down will be always what I see. If I continue to beat myself down, if I continue to be sad, if I continue to indulge in things that don't mean me no good, I will continue to be there. And I'm telling you, some of you are destined for greatness, but you won't look up. And I'm telling you, if you can look up, you can stand up. All right? I'm telling you that. If you can look up, if you can see where you're supposed to be going, you can stand up. It's probably like driving a car, guys. You don't look down while you're driving your car. No, you look up so you can see where you're going. I'm telling you, people, look up, man. Look up. Look where you're going, man. Imagine where you want to be, and I guarantee you, you'll get there. But if you can look up, you can stand up. And if you can stand up, then you can move. And if you can move, you're one step closer to where you want to be. But some of you, man, some of you won't reach your greatness because you won't look up. I don't care about your circumstances. I don't care where you've been. I don't care who hurt you. I don't care who you hurt. And if you want to be better, look up. All right? If you want to be different, look up. All right? Stop letting life beat you down, and your circumstances are not you. All right? You define your circumstances. Stop being afraid to move because of your circumstances. Because of your circumstances is the reason you should be moving. But if you can look up, people, you can stand up. And remember, your best is yet to come. This is my morning motivation for you guys. I don't know who needed it, but I'm going to tell you anyways. If you can look up, then you can get up. Your best is yet to come, and I believe it.